If you're designing in Figma, chances are you're going to be working with multiple logo types. For example, if you're making a profile picture, you might just want the icon. But if you're designing the header of a website, you might want the full word mark. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a variable asset to streamline this process while working in Figma. The first thing you want to do is ensure all of your lockups are grouped. This will ensure that when it's imported into Figma, they all are in their respective object groups. Here you can just copy your items and paste them into a fresh Figma file. Ensure that all of your items are ungrouped from a frame. This will just make sure that they are all individual items in the future. From there, we're going to rename them. For this process, we want to make the logo type and color separate variables. So for the letter mark, we'll name it logo. We'll name it logo because that's what it is. The letter mark because that's the logo type, and tan because that's the color. Now I'm going to do this for all of the types. Okay. Awesome. So now you can see they're all labeled correctly on the left here. So now what we're going to do to ensure that this has different colors is we're going to copy, paste, rename with Command R, look for tan, and replace it with the color you're changing it to. So in this case, I'm doing black. Now I'm going to go down to the selection colors here and change the color of the logos. Then I'm going to do this one more time to add a white variation. So select all, move them over, hit Command R, rename to white, and first search for black. And this will just be FF. Perfect. So now it's as easy as selecting them all, going to this drop-down menu, selecting Create Multiple Components, and combining them as variants. So now I can just drag this onto my Figma file, and here are my toggleable properties. To organize them further, simply click on one of the variants and change the title. So in this case, it's a logo type, and this is the color.